All right, everybody, finally, here we are, the fourth installment of this thing. We don't even know if it's going to work. So, we wouldn't be doing the conclusion of a project without JK18. So, real quick, what we're going to do is shut out the gas outside. We're going to show you how we shut it off. And then we're going to pop this cap off. Then we're going to put this fucking thing on. And then we're going to do this. Then we're going to do that. And then maybe the first couple of threads we'll record it because I checked YouTube and there really wasn't a tutorial on how to install all this stuff. So then we take you outside, shut the gas to the house because also disclaimer, if you're ever doing this, have your plumber install this. Pay for it at least, because if we had this, the battle would be halfway done and the gas would have just...
have to shut the gas to the house.
Right, so now we're playing with gas. Woo, gas! Let's hope our breakfast...
gas for years.
Right, let's just hope our breakfast is not flammable. So if you've been watching my channel, you'll notice that the gas line is behind the chimney. It was originally going to be installed in front of the chimney, but it's going to be installed behind the chimney. So here's the gas shut off, just like the valve downstairs. This means it's on, and of course you can't turn it by hand. So let's see if I could actually remotely, I don't even know if I could do this, but you're supposed to be able to do this, so let's see. Oh, it's a 360 valve. Okay, there it is. I use these tools that will not turn by hand, and then they put a lock in there if they want to shut your gas off. And everything else, who knows what this is. So we'll go back downstairs. Okay, well the gas is off. JK18's 18-inch rigid heavy-duty Sacrament of Christ is on the gas pipe.
I used that for my dryer years ago.
And hopefully by any luck, which I'm sure it won't because the same goop is on it, we should be able to snap this cap off. 1, 2, 3. No, wrong teeth, huh? This is the very first time I'm ever working with gas. Well, I mean a gas pipe. So, lefty loosey, righty tight.
There, now it's moving. That's it.
It's not.
You got to get right, because there's only those two little ears on the cap there. That's right. The only place it's going to grab. Maybe another monkey wrench on it, but you got it to move, so you're actually tightening it.
I'm tightening it?
Yeah.
I thought I was loosening it.
No.
Oh, right.
But that's okay that you did that, because that sometimes will break it free.
Well, right, now I want to do it this way.
You want to bring your bottom wrench around this way.
Right, fuck me. This is like something.
That wrench is heavy as hell.
People that use this every day are fucking stupid.
All right, it looks like I'm going to have to get in there.
Yeah, no, you have sausage fingers. Okay, pause the video.
Right. Okay.
I'm ready.
He says, now we'll do things the right way. I was going to wear the shirt that I have that says, no, you're right, let's do it the dumbest way possible because it's easier for you. Doesn't know what he's doing. That's tightening again.
I did that before.
Oh, no, that's right. You're loosening now.
You're fucking with me.
My mind is upside... Your camera's upside down.
It's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so I'm tightening it.
There you go. Right. Now it's going.
Now, will you get a pff of gas because it's trapped?
No,
or
probably not. That's it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there's fluid in here.
Oh, well, good thing you didn't put the pipe.
What's that all about? Or is that just residual?
That could be residual pipe dope.
Right,
That's settled.
It coagulates into your ass monkey.
Something like that. That's,
All right, well, the next thing is actually easy.
delicious.
I'm going to very sparingly put pipe dope back on, and then
We'll just keep this rolling for 4 hours.
I think, like you said, just to double check. Yeah, okay. That should be easier to install because it actually has the grooves. Oh no, this is like this is boogers.
The camera actually makes that to appear to be a very nice teal blue.
Oh, pardon, sir.
Instead of like a sky blue that it is.
So this is a two-part scenario where we're installing the dryer at my basement. And on top of that, and if you read the description, we're also how to connect soft 3/4 pipe. I'm assuming I'm good, right?
Looks good to
Is
me.
that what looks good to you? All right, Bob. Okay, so
All right, Norm.
they always say never install like inside. It's the opposite of like PVC, where as far as it doesn't need to be crazy.
I don't know what he said either.
Right, fucking me and fuck you. So they say hand tighten it. That's funny, hey, who's they, right? So that's really tight. That's good. Okay, so I probably should get one full one left. Let me see if I could use...
I have a big adjustable.
Yeah, well, let me see this just for
Let's do
being
it the dumbest way possible.
Right, because that's the way I feel like doing it. Okay, now I'm going to get 100 comments saying, oh, you guys are funny. Right. Why do you guys act like this? Oh, wait, I would have to do the opposite.
I think I'm going to drop this camera.
Right, you could hit, pause and take a break. You just let me
No.
know. Right, now the best part is I don't really have to hit the bottom. I'm sorry, I don't have to hit the top. I can hit the bottom, see? I'm assuming, Jay, just get it straight and that should be good.
I think so.
Oh!
That looks, yeah, that
Right.
looks pretty damn tight. So once you get that straight and you're happy with it, I would leave it there and we'll test for leaks. Just a little more.
Okay. All right, ready? Oh, no, I'm hitting the cap, sorry. I'm getting that weird angle again. Nope.
Put the adjustable on it.
Right.
Now we'll do things the right way. That's the pipe wrench, honey.
It would still actually work.
Okay.
Yes, I think that's fine. We do not have any leaks. At this point, I would like to hit pause.
We'll put the gas to the house back on.
Shut it off, right?
Yeah, well, no, that's on now.
Oh, right. No, okay.
Well, we're going to blast it as soon as you hook it up.
Right, we just want to make sure this
Right.
is not leaking.
Okay.
Because everything... Okay.
It's just open.
Okay, we're going to put this exactly back the same way. And here we go. Sorry about the camera. Oh, shit. Did you hear that, like, little vacuum suck? I heard it. There we go. 180 degrees. Valve is open. Gas should be flowing. Coming back in. Jay didn't yell. This is going very smoothly so far. Just out of breath because I'm old. Okay. JK18 wants to purge it.
There's gas.
That's it.
That's good. It seems to shut. It seems good. Smells like gas.
Smells like gas.
So now you don't turn anything on for 5 minutes.
Right.
just to ensure all of the. Oh, it smells like he fucking farted again.
Unbelievable. So that's good. This is going to conclude the installing of a shutoff valve for your or any gas. Phew, stinks. Any gas appliance.
And it only took 10 minutes.
Any okay, everybody. Good night. Stay tuned.
Good night, Dick.
All right, Norm. Stay tuned for part 2.